How to connect the Steelseries Arctis Nova Pro. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to quickly and easily connect your Steelseries Arctis Nova Pro headset, both wireless and wired versions, to your PC or console. Let's get started. Part 1. Arctis Nova Pro Wireless. Step 1. Connect to the base station. Plug the USB-C cable into the back of the wireless base station, then into your PC, PlayStation or Xbox. If using Xbox, make sure to use the port labeled Xbox. Step 2. Power on and pair the headset. Turn on the headset by pressing the power button. It should automatically connect to the base station. If not, on the base station, go to wireless, pair headset and hold the power button until it appears. Step 3. Optional. Connect Bluetooth. Hold the Bluetooth button until the light blinks. On your phone, search and connect to Arctis Nova Pro to use Bluetooth and gaming audio simultaneously. Part 2. Arctis Nova Pro Wired. Step 1. Connect the gaming DAC. Plug the USB-C cable from the gaming DAC to your PC or console. Step 2. Connect the headset. Use the included cable to connect your headset to the front of the gaming DAC. Step 3. Select input and adjust settings. On the gaming DAC, use the dial to choose the correct input source. Adjust volume, chat mix, and EQ directly on the DAC. Bonus tips. Download the Steelseries GG software to update firmware and customize sound. Use dual USB setup for switching between two devices, PC and console. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to connect your Steelseries Arctis Nova Pro headset. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.